Hey guys, this is your admin Henry, aka Spirit FX. Guys, as you all know, I always send probably a voice note or a video record to show you all how sweet forex trading can be, and how bitter it can also be. So this is like a word of encouragement for this new week. Do you understand? This is a new week, and this will be like a word of encouragement for many of us. Many of us have been dealt with several times in the forex market. We've lost so much. Many of us have blown our accounts due to probably bad signals or bad management and various reasons. Some it's because you slept off and you woke up to find out that your account has been blown. It has happened to me several times because I didn't send probably stop loss to take profit. But now this account, if you watch since last week, I've been doing these short videos to show you guys how it has been going so far. Now this is a real account, as you can see, Spirit FX Sniper Bot. This is my personal account. Now I want to show you guys so far how much I have made just this morning. As you can check, if you check above, the time is 8:12 a.m. Now if you are in my Telegram group, which I believe everybody that will be receiving this message is in my Telegram group, you notice I posted the signal on USD this morning. Look at, just this morning I made $659. $659, guys. I have withdrawn it. As you can see, I withdrew the money. That's why the account is back to $2,000. I have not touched. I've not. This $2,000 is like let's say the capital. The capital. So with this $2,000, I have made, if I'm not mistaken, close to $5,000 with this $2,000 just from just within the space of last week and today. Look at, let me just scroll up. This is today, 659, and you guys know we are not done trading. We are just even starting, because I sent that signal very early. The USD I sent the signal very early this morning because I sniped the entry and I sent it. Many that were awake this morning got the signals and took advantage of it. Now yesterday Sunday, I tried to do something on the BTC USD. It wasn't going well. I just decided to close. I said no, I don't want to stress myself. So that was how that's where we are getting this minus $25 loss. But that's nothing. And on Friday, look at $1,600. So on Friday, USD mostly USD and EURUSD. On Thursday, $982. It's supposed to be more, but this BTC, I don't know why BTC has just been doing me nonsense. Oh, even though if you check below, I still made profit from it, but the loss on this one was mad. So this profit for Thursday was supposed to be like $1,600 profit, but this BTC shot it to $982. I'm still happy. $982 is profit. Do you understand? So let me keep scrolling down. So you see, made 375. Made another 184. Now let me just click performance. This performance will definitely tell us how I have been doing so far. Okay, so I have not made, I said before, I said I've made up to $5,000. So I don't think I've made up to $5,000. So this is probably what I've made, 3,915, because this performance will show you everything. Or is that it? Yes, 3,915. So that's what I have made. So imagine I deposited $2,000 as capital, and just from last week till today, I have made 3,915, and the capital is still intact. As you can see, it's still intact. The capital is still intact. So with this $2,000, I have made 3,900. Let's just say $4,000. Isn't that growth? Isn't that growth? And do you think this is all based on guessing or luck? This is not based on guess. This is not based on luck, because you don't send signals to over 4,000 subscribers based on luck or guess, or you're guessing. No, you have to do proper analysis. because these people are depending on you. All right. So guys, this thing actually works. This forex trading of a thing actually works. As you can see, let me show you. I have withdrawn. I told you I don't used to waste time. I have withdrawn the 659. I've withdrawn it. Let me show you. I've withdrawn it. I withdraw it now. I withdraw it now. Not too long before I started doing this video. As you can see, this is my account. I have over 1.8 million naira now. This account was zero when I started this trading. I just started putting the money inside here just to be able to monitor my progress. So far so good. I've been able to grow it to 1.8 million naira profit. Look at the transaction. As you can see, this is the recent transaction. This is from the 600 and something dollars I withdraw now from Xnex. Xnex is very it's for me, they are the best broker when it comes to withdrawal. It's instant. So guys, imagine you started an account with $2,000 and you've been able to make over $3,900. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? So this is how beautiful the forex market can be. This is how beautiful the forex market can be. So based on all what I'm saying right now, does it mean I have not made loss before? I have made massive loss before. Does it mean I have not blown accounts before? I have blown accounts several times. But your winning should be greater than your loss. If I calculate how much I have won so far, honestly speaking, it has overshadowed every loss I have ever made in the forex market. That's why you still see that irrespective of the loss, will still keep continue trading. We'll still keep coming back to the market because we know the market is very favorable. Do you understand, guys? So this is a new week. I'll be trying my possible best to be sending good analysis and good signals. But have it in mind that nothing is 100%. So always take out your profits and always apply proper risk management. Nobody is a boss in this business. We all try our possible best based on the level of knowledge that we have. That is why you see us, we send you signals, and most times 80% over 100, it goes in line with prediction. So nobody is accurate, nobody is perfect. So there are times whereby Spirit FX might send signals and to hit SL. So that shouldn't be the reason why you will be pointing an evil or a negative finger against Spirit FX. Do you understand? So if anything has happened in the past, probably maybe we've made huge losses, which I know, yes, definitely we've tested that rough time or that rough road. So you coming back again in the market and coming back strong shows that you are a success. Do you understand? A failure is not somebody that fails. A failure is somebody that fails and gives up. And just gives up. Do you understand? So this market is not our father's business. It's not our father's market. So we are all trying our possible best to make sure that we harness as much as possible from it. So let's all support each other. Let's all support each other. As per the robot, honestly speaking, guys, the robot is working perfectly. This latest version is working perfectly. Like I told you, it has grown the account from 500 to where it is right now. And I told you during the meeting we had yesterday how it works. One of the indicators I used in building the robot was the 250 crossing. And I showed you guys that if you check it on the 5-minute time frame, whenever it crosses like that, it always go in line with prediction. So you are rest assured that yes, it's going to work. Plus some other things that I added. And also it takes bucket entries right now. It takes 3 entries. So you can also modify it and put it to 100 entries, depending on you, depending on how much you have as equity. Do you understand? You can modify the stop loss and modify the take profits, and also modify the lot size. And as per the social trading, yes, social trading didn't go well for us at all. It didn't go well for us at all. When we started, we hit a massive rock. We hit a massive rock. But I'm coming back strong on it. I am already growing the account back right now, and also giving the platform itself, the Spirit FX platform, a good name. Yeah, because yes, we hit massive rock, no doubt. Many of us lost our money. And I came out publicly to tell you guys that it didn't go well, because and Xness actually did it very well, because as a signal provider, or somebody that you want people to copy you, you must have to invest too. And I like the fact that XNet did it that way, so that if the account is going down, your own money also is going down. So far so good. I lost like $1,700 or $1,500 on that copy trading. And the reason for that, normally some people will come outside and blame it on the market, but no, I came outside and I took all the whole blame. Yes, because I was overdoing some things. I was overdoing a whole lot of things and trying to grow our account exponentially, not knowing it's not done that way. So please, guys, I'll be coming back strong on the social trading. But right for now, nobody should join, nobody should copy. But I just want to personally do it by myself, grow that account to a particular level, so that when you come back and see for yourself and you see the orders or you see the market that I have taken, you would see only green, only green, only green. And this time around, it is going to be perfect. By the grace of God, it's going to be perfect, simple and steady, slow and steady. That's how it's going to be this time around. All right. So that's basically all I have to say, guys. In this forex market, please do not invest life savings. It is risky. Forex trading is risky, no matter the platform, whether it's robot, VIP, copy trading, anything built under the forex trading has 50% risk. So please do not invest school fees, do not invest house rent, do not invest life savings, do not invest things that you know that when you lose it will bring you down. You only invest what you know you can lose, because this market has its risk, so we should be aware of it. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you.